Hi everyone. Let's go ahead and see the business scenario. So we will work on one business scenario today. So the requirement is on account, we will have a field called has open opportunities, right? So the requirement is to write a code correctly to populate this flag true or false. When to populate this field true or false is true if there is any opportunity with that account that are not closed. So this is the requirement. Business gave that. Create a field here in the account and make it true if there are any opportunities that account that are not closed. Right? So this is the business scenario. Now let's go ahead and apply thought process executing this. So thought process, the first one will be thought process. The first one will be approach. What is my approach? In approach, I have a 5 steps. First step is understanding the business requirement at high level. Understanding the business requirement at high level. Second one is understanding the business at micro level. And the third one is draw the flow chart. Right? Third one is draw the flow chart. And the fourth one is test conditions. Test conditions. Different scenarios, I have to write it in the test conditions. And finally, the fifth one is write down the main blocks. Okay. So once this is clear, then I'll go with the coding part. Now let's understand at the high level. Perfect. So the high level requirement is update account field called has an open opportunity true if there are any open opportunities, any opportunity with that account, any opportunity with that account that are not closed. So this is the high level requirement. Coming to the micro level. So micro level, first thing, create a field on, what is the field name? Has an open opportunity on account object. And what is this field data type? It's a Boolean. Second one. Default Boolean should be false. Default, the field should be false. Third one. Third one. Check the size of opportunities in account. So when they say closed means closed on. The stage name is closed on. Fifth one. Look at all the opportunities in account. Look at all the opportunities stage name. If all opportunities stage name equal to closed on, then update the flag to true on account. In case if there are any open opportunity, in case if there are any opportunities that are not equal to, that are stage name not equal to closed on, then do not update the field on account. And next thing, currently, for example, let's take this scenario. Right now, account has a two opportunities. Okay. So as soon as I first opportunity is already closed. It is already closed on. Right. As soon as I close the second opportunity on the account, the flag has to be changed to true. But in case if I create a new opportunity, right now the flag is true. And within the same account, if I create a new opportunity, then it should change the flag to true. Right? So after, like once flag is true, and if user is creating a new opportunity within the same account, then flag should change to false because there is a open opportunity. Creating a new opportunity within the same account, and this opportunity stage name, this opportunity, creating a new opportunity stage name not equal to closed on within the same account, then the flag has to be changed, right? So this is the micro level understanding. Now let's go ahead and implement the flow chart. So this is the thought process. Now interviewer gave the business requirement. What I'm doing right now, I'm doing the approach. In the approach, high level, I have written. Micro level, we have written. Flow chart, we are going to do that. So let's go ahead and do the flow chart. Let's increase this. Let's put it down. Okay. So now let me go ahead and implement the flow chart. So the flow chart is, this is the account object, right? So right now I have an account object. Right now we have a account object. Assume that I have a field has open opportunity. Okay. So this has open opportunity flag. Perfect. So in this account, could be a possible that there are multiple opportunities are there. Let's assume that there are four opportunities. Four opportunities. There are four opportunities are there. So let's assume that I have a opportunity one and opportunity two and opportunity three, and then I have an opportunity four. Right, this is the scenario. This is I have to create in the Salesforce. So these records I have to create it. Before I start doing anything, I have to create these records in Salesforce. Okay. So once it is created within the Salesforce, so what I'll do, the first thing, as soon as the opportunity is updated or inserted, opportunity is updated or inserted. Opportunity, let's take the scenario opportunity updated. Okay. If it is updated, then check whether the update is on the stage name or is it update on the any other field. Check whether the offer on the opportunity on the update, right? Is it a stage name? That means new stage name not equal to old stage name, right? So new stage name not equal to old stage name. That means on the opportunity, it really updated the stage name. Before it was a qualified, now it is updated to closed own. Okay. So in case if the update is not related to the stage name, in case if the update is not related to the stage name, then what will happen? it will not execute the any logic. It will not execute any logic. Exit, right? There is no update, then go ahead and exit. I do not want to execute any logic. But in case if there is an update happened only with the stage name, along with other fields, stage name is also updated. Then check. Then go ahead and check if the stage name. So that means this is not the box here. Let me erase this. So if it is not equal to previous stage name, check whether is it a right now what is the stage name. Right now is my stage name equal to closed. Equal to closed on. If it is equal to closed on, then the next scenario works. But in case if it is not equal to closed on, then exit. If it is not a closed on, exit. Right? Okay, so now if it is equal to closed on, then come here for the next business logic to implement. If it is equal to closed on, what do we wanted to check? Get the account ID. I need to get the account ID. I need to get the account ID. Right? I need to get the account ID from that opportunity. And then what I have to do with that, I need to check, get the account ID and get all the opportunities of that account ID. Get all the opportunities of that account ID, right? Get all the opportunities of that account ID. Now, once I have all the opportunities, the next thing is that again the condition is all opportunities are closed. Is my all opportunities are closed. Opportunity stage name equal to closed on. Equal to closed on. Then go ahead and update the hash open opportunity equal to true. Hash open opportunity equal to true on account object. On account object. Right? But in case if it is not all the opportunities are not closed, then do not do anything. Simply exit. In case if all opportunities are stage name not equal to closed on, Then we have to check, is my flag is true, right? I have to check is has an opportunity, has open open, or is flag is true on account object. Is flag is true on the account of object, then change it to the false because there is a open. So update flag to false. Update a flag to false on account opportunity. Account object. Clear so far? I'll repeat it again, once again. Okay. So this is no and below it is yes. And this flag is true on opportunity, then change it to false. Otherwise, fix it. Do not do anything. Okay. So let me fill the colors. Probably I'll take the same color. Now let me come from the starting. Opportunity is updated. Okay. My opportunity is updated. Then I have to check new stage name not equal to old stage name. If yes, then go ahead and check the stage name. Is my latest stage name equal to closed on? Yes. Then get all my opportunities within that account, right? So, and then again, one more check if all the opportunities are if all my opportunity stage name equal to closed on, means all the opportunities are closed on the account. Yes, then update the has opportunity to true. But in case if all opportunities are not closed on, then check is my flag true on the account object. In case if it is a true, then update the flag to false on the account object. If it is not true, then simply exit. Right? Now let's suppose that the opportunity has inserted. Opportunity is inserted. Opportunity is inserted. That time also I need to check what is my stage name. But in that scenario, I'll not be having the old stage name. So opportunity stage name has to be different flow. I cannot write it here, right? If it is the opportunity is inserted, inserted. Then I have to check what is my stage name. Only it will have the current stage name. I'll not have the old stage name because this is creating first time. There is no previous value. Stage name. What is my stage name? Right? So if my stage name equal to closed on, so now from here, it will be connected back to this, right? So if my, I'll do one thing, okay. Okay, if my stage name, what is my stage name? If my stage name equal to closed on, right? Then yes, then get the all the information. So from here, everything will be continued. Only this step will not be there. Old step will not be there. Right? So again, I'll get all the account IDs for that opportunity, and for account ID, get all the opportunities and check the flag if it is a true. And if there are any open opportunities, update that flag to false. But in case if all the opportunities are closed, update the flag to true. So this is the condition, right? Ideally, I do not need this condition here. I can check if the stage name equal to, I can simply check opportunity is inserted, then stage name equal to closed on. Yes, go this same flow. If it is no, exit. So that is the one. So these conditions will not work for the new opportunity. Fine. So what we will do is we will implement the logic for opportunity updated. We will focus on only opportunity updated. Clear? So right now the flow chart is done. Now for test condition, create account with two opportunities where the stage name not equal to closed on. Create second account with one opportunity where stage name not equal to closed on. Closed on. Right? So this is what the two test conditions. Now coming to main blocks. So before going to main blocks, let's go ahead and create an account and opportunities. So let's take Smita. And there are no opportunities. I'll create the opportunity. Opportunity name S1 and stage name. Let's take it as a prospecting. Is there any other mandatory information? No. Close date. Close date next month 17th. Save. So Smita has one opportunity. Now let me go ahead and look for another account. Let's take one tech. Want take any opportunities? No. Let's go ahead and create opportunities. Tech 1, close date 29 July, stage prospecting. That's all. Save. Now create another opportunity. New Tech 2. Okay, so close date is next month 25th. Stage is qualification. Let's save it. So Smita has one opportunity. Okay, one tech has two opportunities. Perfect. Now let me go ahead and see, do I have a field here? Has open opportunity? No, it's not there. So edit object. Let's create a new field, which is a Boolean field. Where is it? Boolean checkbox. Checkbox. Yeah, here it is. Next, has open opportunities. Perfect. Click on next. System admin. Yes, it has access. Let's click on next. Save. Perfect. Now we have a opportunity. Details has open opportunity. Where it is? Uh, okay, here it is. Has open opportunities. Perfect. Now let's go back to the notepad. Main block. Main block is first of all, whenever the opportunity is updated, that time I wanted to check whether any open opportunities inside the account. Based on that, I have to update the has open opportunity. That means I have to write a trigger on opportunities. Trigger on opportunities. Trigger on opportunity. I have to write a trigger on opportunity, right? Now coming to the, that's fine. So event will be after event, after update and after insert. But for now, I'll look at only after update. Now I need a method. Method one. This method one will be check opportunity stage name. And then at the end of method, I need to update the account with the flag. I do not need any other blocks here, right? So this is needed. Now coming to the coding, let's go ahead and do the coding. Developer console. First, let's go ahead and create a class. Let's go ahead and create a class. CL underscore 2407. And let's say that update account flag. Or let's say the other way, opportunity trigger helper. This is an open resource. This is not the right one. File, new Apex class, enter the class name, click OK. So the skeleton structure, the outer structure is created fine. Now let me go ahead and create a method. Method public static void. What are we going to do? Check opportunity stage. Check opportunity stage, right? So this is what we are going to check. Now, what are the parameters that are required? I need opportunities, the latest opportunity. What are the new record is there? That is the opportunity list. And I'm also going to get the old records. ID comma opportunity, which is called as a old map. Perfect. Now let me loop through the for loop. Opportunity OPP, loop through the latest list, which is a new record list. Now OPP dot. Now here is the if condition that I need to check. OPP dot stage name equal to closed on, and also I wanted to check is my opportunity stage name not equal to old map of old map dot get opp dot id dot stage name. That means my previous value and current value is not same. There is a really update happened on the stage name, right? And the current stage name is closed on. Now here I wanted to get the account ID. What account ID? Opportunity account ID. So let me declare the collection here, OPP account ID. OPP account ID equal to new set of ID. Perfect. So let me take this dot add. What I'll do, OPP dot account ID. Capture the account ID. Done. So now my work is done in this for loop. I capture the account ID. Now I'll go if opportunity account ID size is greater than 0. That means I have a really, there is some data which needs to be updated. Then what I'll do, I'll need a account details. I'll need a account details. Basically, I have to get all the opportunities, right? So what I'll do is I have to write a query inside this. So for that, let me declare list of account ACC list. Perfect. Now I'll use this ACC list equal to select ID from account where ID in opportunity account IDs. Perfect. Right. So, but I wanted to know size of the opportunities that are not closed on, where the stage name not equal to closed on. That means I can write a subquery, inner query. Select ID from opportunities. This is opportunities. It's not an opportunity. If you are writing a normal query, it will be opportunity. But right now you are writing the inner query. So whenever we write an inner query, take the child object name. So which is like a child object name is here it is opportunities where stage name not equal to closed own. Perfect. So this is what we want. What is the problem here? Comma is missing. Any other issue? Let's see query call from underscore underscore r. Select ID from opportunities from where ID equal to. That's did not understand the relationship opportunities. Okay, let me go ahead and check. Opportunities fails account ID. This is lookup to account ID. This is the opportunities. This is right? That's what I have used. Opportunities. Control S. Yeah, it is working fine. Okay. Maybe some spelling mistake was there. So I'll get the accounts and also the opportunities that are stage name not equal to closed own. That means which are open. Now let me go ahead and check the stage name quickly. Opportunities. Let's go to the object opportunities. Opportunity field. Stage name equal to closed own, right? So there is no hyphen here. So let me copy this. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now I got the account list, right? Now what I need to do, let me take this list, come out of the if condition, another if condition. If my ACC list dot size is greater than 0, now look through the account. Look through the account ACC colon ACC list, right? Check whether is my all the opportunities are closed already. So that means I'm getting the inner query here. So what I'll do is integer OPP count equal to ACC dot opportunities and simply copy this opportunities dot size, right? I'll get the size of the opportunities. What is the size of the opportunity? For example, let's take this scenario. If there is a one account, all the opportunities are stage name is equal to closed own. If my all opportunities stage name equal to closed own, then my size will be 0, right? I'll not get anything inner. I'll not get anything child query. I'll not get any records for the child. But in case I have a opportunity, there are two opportunities inside the account. One opportunity is closed own, another opportunity is prospecting. In that case, I'll get the size. So size will be 1. So what I can do is here, if my OPP count if my OPP count equal to 0, that means all the opportunities are closed owned. Then what I wanted to do ACC dot has open opportunities equal to 2. Perfect. Now I need another list to update the account. Update account equal to new list of account. Right? So this is the list. I'll put everything into the list. Dot add ACC. Perfect. Right? So till now it is clear. Now come out of the if condition. Now if my update account is greater than size 0, that means I have some data to update it. Database dot update. What I'm going to update the account. This list I'm going to update, right? But in case if my size is greater than 0 and this opportunity is true, I'll add another condition where we were checking it. The condition is here. Is all my opportunity stage name equal to closed on? Then update the has open opportunity. But in case if it is not, check the what is the flag right now. If it is a flag is true, update the flag to false on the account. So that's what I'm going to do. If OPP count equal to 0 and ACC dot has open opportunity equal to true, then what I wanted to do then, I wanted to change the flag to false because there is an open opportunity. Now update this. This is not equal to 0. This is greater than 0. Greater than 0. Let's put this first. So first check if my opportunity count is greater than 0 and has open opportunity equal to true, then update it to false. But in case all the opportunities are closed on, then update the has open opportunity equal to true. If you wanted to put a more condition here, if it is a equal to 0, and also if you wanted to check and equal to false, then only update it to true. That is a more conditions, right? Very tight conditions, I can say. So this is our code. Perfect. Now let me go ahead and write the logic in the, let's call it from the trigger. File, new, apex trigger, tr underscore 2407, opp trigger. Where are we writing it? Opportunity, where it is? Here it is. Opportunity. Let's click on submit. Now this is a before insert. Our logic that we are writing is after update. So let's change this. Perfect. Now let's put the condition if trigger dot is after, right? And trigger dot is update. Then I wanted to call the class. That's it. I wanted to call this class dot. What is the method name? Check opportunity stage. Check opportunity stage. And what do I need to pass? Trigger dot new comma. I have to pass the trigger dot old map. Perfect. Let's save this. Okay, now let's clear this debug, clear log. Let's go back to the Smita has one opportunity. So let's test the one which has a more than one opportunity, right? So one tech has two opportunities, qualification and prospect. Okay, so and the flag is false here. Let me update this to the edit qualification to the closed. Boom. Let's say here it is. The error after update caused a subject query without querying the request has open opportunity. Yes, we are not querying the has open opportunity in the query because here we have to say, right? Control S, debug, clear log. Now let's save this, close the opportunity. Now let's click on these details. Has open opportunities is false. Let's refresh. Still it is false. Perfect. It is working fine. Now let me update the prospecting. Prospecting, let's change to closed on. Click on save. So as soon as I click on save, opportunity tech one is updated and my account flag has to be true. Details. Perfect. It is working fine. Let me go to the Smita. Smita has one opportunity. Edit. If I change apart from any other, like if I change value, proposition, save, should not update anything. Attempt to dereference because has opportunity stage 22 trigger. Line 22. What is happening? Why did it came to 22? That is my thinking. Because it should not come here. Right now, anyway, this is changing it, but my stage name is closed on. Then only I have to update it. What is this? After update, OPP trigger. Yes, after update caused by the system null pointer exception. Attempt to dereference a null object. Line number 22. What is happening? Line number 22. Okay, this is did not go. This did not go. Size. Okay. ACC list dot is empty. We also have to check is empty. If it is not empty and the size is greater than 0, then go ahead and same thing here. Dot is empty and what? Debug clear logs. Let's say line number 5. What is happening? Line number 5 trigger null pointer exception. It is going to the trigger helper stage 22. Why it is going to stage line number 22? I said it is not empty. Um, Let me put this way. Equal to none. Does it take? Okay, debug, clear log, save, perfect, null pointer. Okay. So now I have changed it to value proposition. Let me go ahead and refresh this. The flag did not change. Perfect, that is working fine. So let's edit again. Let's change it to closed on, save. It should update the flag. Here it is, the flag is updated. Perfect, it is working fine. So only the thing is that is blank, is empty, is none. We have to check that. So that is the only one scenario. But apart from that, our scenario is working fine. Table clear logs. So coding is working perfectly fine. We have tested the scenario. Third one is testing, right? We tested the different scenarios and we saw the error is happening on the is null, is blank. Fine. So see how the coding is easy if we know the complete flow, what to do till we come to this point. That means once I clear on the approach, the coding part is very easy. So thank you so much for attending the training. We'll connect next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.